Hi. I have just created a to-do app, a task management API using Fast API and a SQL model. Here's my app is running. I have created the registration API, the login API, and all the task API. We can get all the task. We can create a task. We can get a single task. We can update the task and delete the task. And same for we can mark the task as completed, mark the task as incomplete. Okay, but here is a tricky part that I have just created the full authentication. You can see the authorize button here. If I refresh this, so the person is not authorized yet, so he has to authorize it. He has to log in here. So first of all, I'll just try to register a user. The first one is can be John Smith, and the username can be John Smith, and the email can be johnsmith at gmail.com, johnsmith at gmail.com, and same for the password, john123, and let's execute this and the user will be registered successfully. And yeah, the user has been registered successfully, but he hasn't logged in yet. So first of all, he has to log in it. And before login, we have to try at least one API. We can check it if it is working or not. So I'll try to create a task, and the task can be task one from John Smith, and let's execute this, but he cannot create a task now because he is not authorized yet. First of all, he has to log in here, so let's log in. John Smith. Okay, John 123 was the password, and I hope this will log in. And great, now the John Smith is logged in, and he can now create a task, and we can execute this. So the task has been created. And same for the other API as well. As like if I do this is incomplete, or let's try this mark is complete, but let's check what is the ID of the task. The ID of the task is 8, and it is the completed is false. So we can make it complete as true and execute this. And yeah, the task has been completed as true, and we can check by check here, and it has been marked as true. I have just used SQL model here. um, we can check here in the pyproject.toml. I've just used the standard version of the fast API, HTTPX, and the psycho-PG binary, as well as I have used the PWD lib and argon 2 algorithm for the password hashing, and used PyTest, but I haven't used it, but I've just installed it, so I will use it. And Python Jaws is using for the JWT authentication and creating a JWT token, and that's all. Thank you.